and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can optimize your visual appeal on Pinterest by using some very efficient tools. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to look at examples. Now, you might be creating a lot of attractive content, but you still need to keep an eye out for attractive and appealing trends and what's going on in your niche currently, and what kind of visual elements are people using in order to promote and present their content to the targeted audience. So if we scroll down here, we can see a lot of pins which are very graphically empowered and which are very beautiful. So if we scroll further down, we can see something that's simple to recreate, and we're going to be taking a look at it, and we're going to see what kind of tool we can use in order to make something like this. Now, this can be done in order to optimize your brand's visibility on Pinterest, because getting the attention of your targeted audience through something that's visually attractive is a very, very important part of Pinterest, because the captions they come way after the pin. And that's why you need to grab their attention, the attention of your targeted audience, by using the first thing that they will be seeing, which is the pin itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose one of these in order to recreate. So let's just say this looks like something simple, and this looks like eye-catching as well. So we're going to go into the Canva app and we're going to recreate it. Now, if you're someone who has very amazing Photoshop skills and who knows how to operate Photoshop, you can use this kind of layout and you can create it using Photoshop as well. But if you're someone who's looking to save time and who's looking to create something very attractive and very visually appealing in a very short amount of time, then Canva is the app for you. So we're going to head over to Canva and we're going to look for a suitable design. See, if we keep scrolling, we'll come across something that's similar to the design that we want. So we can also search for anything. So let's just say that we want to look for a Pinterest pin. And here we have it. And the best part about Canva is that it suggests the size and the pixels and everything in height and width according to the kind of visual representation that you choose. So you can see here that this is a suitable size for a Pinterest pin. And if we go for something like this, let's just say that we want to use this in order to, we can also save the pin here. Because of our Pinterest pin, we can also use it to save these in our own Pinterest app from Canva. So let's just say that we want to use this one. We're gonna go into this one and we're going to see how we can use it in order to create a pin. Because the size has been decided, the pixels has been decided, all we need to do is just, well, insert our elements in here, and then we can also directly publish it to Pinterest from Canva. Now, how cool is that? We'll be able to unlock a lot of features, like we can add text here, we can also add colors here, we can remove anything that we want to, and we can add shapes and any videos that we want to integrate into this. And we can also change the background and everything. And this is so much better. This is so much better and this is so quick. You can use it to save time, and you can use it to create something and publish it directly to your Pinterest. And that is a very good feature. You won't need to hire any experts, and you'll be able to do this by yourself. However, having a graphically talented team is a big plus. It's a huge plus, but you should know how to do this on your own as well, and that's where Canva comes into play. So go ahead and use Canva in order to create your own pins and publish them to Pinterest.